Hello everyone, it's Frances with Your Book of Memories. I don't think I have ever really been this stoked to show you a new project. Welcome back, friends. Thank you so much for joining me for this brand new project share. I've had an extremely fun time designing this book specifically for a Simple Stories paper pack. And if you're new here, it's just an honor to be here alongside you during this project share. I used the Simple Stories Happy Hearts paper collection, and it only took me one pack. It has, you guessed it, every single kind of cut apart you can possibly imagine. And I designed this book specifically to hold it, and everything just came together. It just blew my mind, and I really think you're gonna love this one. So right here on the front, I have an I Heart You little sticker right there, and I fussy cut around one of the signature pages. And this book holds 28 plus pictures, and it's a wonderful little folio. And if you've never made any of these books before, this is something that you can do. I really truly had so much fun. I love the acetate window right here. And as soon as you open it up, I got some cool little angles here, and you could peer through this window and see the backings of this double-sided paper. And again, we have this gorgeous, wonderful acetate shiny goodness and a couple elements that I fussy cut, and these two stacked pockets with an interesting angle going on right there. Tons of things you can stick in these pockets. It does not only need to be this. I've got this fun little insert here with all these little extra bits and pieces, and of course you could stick your photo in there as well. So look at all the stickers that comes in the, look, I just cut around that, and that is just so cute. I hope you are having a wonderful February and a beautiful Valentine's Day. It's just so much fun to create these books because we can make little custom shapes and sizes of all kinds of goodies, and yeah, look at some more tags right here. I've been so excited and eager to show you this book. It has seriously been a blast. And we've got some more fun goodies here. Look at that cute little bug. We have a 1971 bug as well, so when I saw that, I was just, I was elated. So these just go right back in there. I show you how to mat that beautifully, and you can go ahead and customize this book any which way that you'd like. You can leave these out or you can add these in. I decided to work just off the back panel of this folio, and it's got a beautiful magnetic closure and it opens right up. Lots of love right here, and again, a picture can go right there, uncropped 4x6. And look how happy they are. Are you kidding me? We got some more acetate right here too. Layered up February 14th, some dimensional foam tape right there. You've got a wonderful closure, magnetized, and a wonderful angle again. And this is a super cute area where you can stick your photos in, and you can mount them on here, or you can just slip them right in 100%. This book has sort of like a smash style scrapbook, and again, it opens up, beautiful layout right here, and tons of things in these pockets. I just cannot express the amount of fun that I had and that I think you're going to have with this one. Look how cool. 4x6, Be My Valentine, Happy Heart Day. You got a wonderful little milkshake in there and some 4x6 cut aparts out of the paper line. Everything you need is in that one paper line, and I will leave the link to my favorite supplies and the paper I used down in the description, as well as the class for this particular design. So if that wasn't enough, there's a giant pocket right there for our beautiful pictures again, and some journaling spaces. You are one in a melon. Okay? I just thought you'd like to know that. I really wanted to tell you that. And everything just tucks right back in there. I'm gonna move on here. That snaps closed and this opens again. And we have this gorgeous place again for a vertical 4x6 picture and these wonderful 2x2s. This is my #1 favorite page. I went crazy with the chalk marker. Can you tell I'm excited? Okay. I also went crazy with the journaling pen too. Customizing things, making it our own. That's the most important part, that we make it the way we want, and we have that freedom here. Oh my goodness, some journaling lines on the back of there, these tiny little pockets, stuff and stick anything you want in here. Open it up again. We have some more picture space on the back and some fun goodies, journaling spots, you name it. It continues to keep going. And that opens right up, and again, you could just access this pocket from the back side as well and kind of stuff in whatever you want. And that leads us to this excellent waterfall style right back here with the landscape. It fits the 3x4 cut aparts on it beautifully, and that is an on-page pocket right there. And it's housing another little fun element I cannot wait to show you. It is a little booklet just for you. Look at this. Anything you want to do here, it's possible. You make my heart soar, and that's really truly how I feel about you. Honestly, this book is for you. From me to you. I love you all so very much, and I hope you have so much fun with this class. I'll leave the link down in the description to my tutorial shop. And oh my gosh, I really believe this is something that you're gonna want to make over and over. It might become a new favorite. Thank you everyone so much for watching. This is what I created using the Simple Stories Happy Heart paper. I hope you have a beautiful, wonderful day wherever it is you are, and hugs to you. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.